I have 82 days to vacate my workshop, and, well, I promise you, we're going to make every single moment count. Also, what do you think about my new artillery witch? I think I like the silhouette a little bit more, maybe. The wings, kind of witchy. I'm not 100% sold, but I think it's cool. Sort of the big irony of this episode was that I fixed this artillery witch. It broke, and I used it as an opportunity to re-kit bash it, reinvent it, change it into something new, turn a bad situation into something great. And that was the whole moral of that video. And as I was doing the reveal, Rachel came in and told me the bad news, that unfortunately our lease isn't being renewed because the owners want to move back into the house, so we gotta go. And once upon a time, that thing sort of scared me quite a lot. But now I know not much can bloody stop me. So we have 3 months to work it out. And that's okay. I think I'm going to try to get my Trench Crusade warband done tonight. Carpe diem, right? Fuck it. You know, this all came as a huge shock. I thought I was going to be in here for years and years yet. And while that sucks, right now is probably the best time ever that something like this could have happened. I'm the fittest I've ever been, the healthiest I've ever been, the most organized and productive and happiest, I guess. Yeah, probably the happiest. The weather is like 40 degrees though, which is fucked. And that's really limiting my creative output right now. That's why I've been working so late. There was a great comment on the last Trench Crusade video about maybe sculpting an eyeball on the palm of the Hellhound's hand. And I love that idea, but I thought maybe I should freehand paint one like it was some sort of magical marking or something. And also when I was converting it last episode, I was kind of left with some weird sort of flat spots that I didn't really love. So I used that as a canvas to freehand as well. And I think I really dig the result, honestly. This guy right here keeps falling over. It's very front heavy because of this big metal arm. So I'm thinking, exactly, I'm thinking adding a counterweight to the back of this. Well, I mean, it's better, but oh man, I hate spooky sheds so much. Okay, there's definitely washers in here though. Nice. Hopefully these aren't too thick. Nice, 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 nice. Look. Definitely better. Okay, well, it's something for now. Okay, this is how you make mud. Texture paste. Coconut fiber. Using coconut fiber is a tip that I heard from Jack, who made Etherpunk. which is like another trenchy, muddy game that my miniatures suit very well for. I like to add a bit of flocking, this spongy stuff. Brown earth, paint, acrylic, gloss medium. And then we mix it up. Nice. This is my fully painted Trench Crusade Heretics Legion Warband. I think there's enough miniatures to play. I'm pretty sure. hopefully it is, because I want to start. I'm so stoked. I'm so stoked.